How to connect your child's phone to the HappyNet's data filter network for protecting them on 4G or 5G or any other internet network. Go to Play App Store to download and install the HappyNet's Kid app on the kid's phone. Open the app and you will see an accessibility screen. Allow required permissions and click on Agree. Follow the directed instructions on the phone screen. Go back to the app. You will see the Activate Device Admin screen. Allow and follow the instructions. Please note that the instructions may differ depending on the phone. You will see the Scan QR code screen once all permissions have been granted. Use the HappyNet's parent app to generate a QR code. Go to the HappyNet's parent app. Choose the device that you want to add to the HappyNet's data filter network. Click on the device. Click on the first option that says Activate or Deactivate 4G or 5G filter. A QR code will appear. This code has to be scanned from your child's phone once you have downloaded and installed the HappyNet's Kid app on it. Scanning from Kid phone. On the Kid app, click on Scan QR code and scan the code that the parent app has generated. If the connection has been established correctly, you will see a pop-up on the Kid app that says, "Your device is secure now." After the code has been scanned, your child's phone will be protected even when they're connected to 4G or 5G or any other internet source. The settings deployed on the parent app will start working on the device. How do filters work on the child's phone that has been added to the HappyNet's data filter network? The filters you have set on the parent app will work on the child's phone as well when connected to any network. For example, if the parent has switched off Netflix on the parent app, here's what will happen. Since Netflix has been blocked, the child's phone will show "Can't connect to Netflix." Similarly, if the parent has switched on YouTube, here's what will happen. Since YouTube is allowed by the parent, YouTube is accessible on the kid's phone. If the parent has allowed the news and entertainment category, news articles will open. However, the ads will be blocked. Instead, your child will see blank screens. What happens when the child tries to uninstall the HappyNet's Kid app from their phone? When the child tries to uninstall the app, a pop-up will appear asking, "Do you want to uninstall the app?" Clicking on the Yes button has no impact on the Kid app. If the child clicks on App Info, they will be redirected to a login screen of the HappyNet's Kid app. On this screen, only if a parent enters the credentials of the HappyNet's parent app will the child be able to disconnect from their phone from the HappyNet's data filter network. Now let's see what happens if the child tries to open a VPN. It shows that HappyNet's is connected, and even if the child clicks on it, they are redirected to the login page. In case your child tries to uninstall the app by going to Settings, then going to Apps and clicking on HappyNet's Kid app, they will be once again redirected to the login page. Going to the Device Admin, where the permissions were initially given, will also take the child to the login page. Once the permissions have been granted to HappyNet's, the filters and internet rules set by the parent cannot be bypassed. Even the app cannot be uninstalled by the child unless the login credentials are provided by the parent. How to uninstall HappyNet's Kid app from the parent's phone? It is possible to disconnect the child's phone using the HappyNet's parent app. Go to the app. On the home screen, the devices that are connected to the HappyNet's data filter network show a blue label with 4G or 5G written on it. You can pause or resume the internet on this device. If you want to disconnect the child's phone from the network, click on the device name. A pop-up will open. Click on the first option that says Activate or Deactivate 4G or 5G filter. It will show a pop-up saying that the device is already connected to the data filter and if you'd like to disconnect it. Click on Yes to disconnect. You know the device has been disconnected or never connected when you see a new QR code. How do you know if the child's phone has been disconnected from the HappyNet's data filter network? Open the HappyNet's Kid app on the child's phone. You will see the Scan QR code screen. This is how you can verify that the kid's phone has been disconnected from the HappyNet's data filter network.